Let's go behind the barn door to watch this Angora goat be sheared.
Look at the newborn babies, boys and girls. Angora goat with her newborns. Look at these babies. Look at mama. Such a happy mama. Another Angora goat with her baby. Baby's enjoying the sun. Hi, mama. Male ram, the female, and the baby. Look this way, baby. What looks like when he's been sheared, and this goat has not been sheared. Young one. You hurt your little leg? Oh my goodness, I hate to see that. You hurt your little leg, didn't you? I'm so sorry. Oh, boys and girls, got his foot up because he injured his little foot. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh goodness.